goodness, I forgot my train of
What
thought.
3 things inspire you?
3 things that inspire me. First one is when I see, and I do have track record, and I'm not trying to boast or anything, but I've had investors work with me that started out with nothing and grew quite a portfolio like bigger than me, which is like incredible to see. So my clients being successful inspires me, it fuels me, because I definitely get excited when I see them grow. I'm so happy, and seeing that's probably my biggest inspiration.
2 more things.
2 more things. What inspires me? Can I throw you in the mix? My wife inspires me. I think she's incredible.
Aww.
And the progress she's made in her training is crazy, and her determination's nutty. So she works really hard at what she does, and it's really wild to see, because there's something she wants and she's very passionate about, and she works hard at it, and it's kind of crazy because I really wish I could draw some of that energy and apply it to some of the stuff I do, because I work hard, but I kind of take it easy a little bit. So yeah, she works hard. And my last thing, I'm a pretty simple man. My family inspires me. My girls, as they progress through life, and those little things that they've learned, steps or what have you, and as they learn and they come to me with newfound knowledge, and it's really
wanting to set them up for their future.
That inspires me. Just seeing them grow and thrive inspires me. And there's nothing that makes me more happier than to see them grow, and it's crazy. I think those are the 3 things.
Okay, we'll get less deep then. Bitcoin. Yes or no? Do you invest?
I personally don't.
Do you believe in
I think I have some.
Do you believe in the online wallet?
The online virtual digital wallets.
Yes.
It's not my cup of tea personally. If I had money I could play with, I would entertain those areas and those markets. This is pure later. Getting some orders. So with the digital currency, crypto market, I've played in that realm for about 2 years. Prior to last crash, I was doing all sorts of stuff with it, fairly knowledgeable about it. It's just, there's just so much information to get ahead of that it's hard to keep ahead of it. There's a lot of misinformation on that market to throw you off your path, and a lot of people are looking to make a quick buck, and you can unfortunately get caught up in something pretty nasty pretty quick and lose some solid money. So yes or no to Bitcoin? I would say no personally. I'm not a
What's your secret talent?
My secret talent? Oh man, I don't know. I make a mean coffee. I'm a good cook. I'm a good cook. I think that's my secret talent. I think I take pride in that. Growing up in a family restaurant environment, my father always cooked up there, and I really lived up and tried to always impress him with my cooking. So I'm no chef per se, education-wise, but I have a good taste for food. I think that's my secret power. Yeah.
What's Dan Arash's favorite movie?
Oh man. Right now?
Yeah, what's your favorite movie? We're putting you on the spot now.
God, I don't know who produced it, but The King, I'd say, is my favorite movie right now.